First, I'll place a piece of wood inside my Genmitsu Kiosk laser engraver. Then I will go to my app and I will connect Wi-Fi to the laser engraver. Once I do that and I'm connected, it'll get me a message telling me so. Then I can start creating. And in this case, I'm just going to upload my logo from my photos on my iPhone. And you can move it around or shrink it. And so I'm just going to shrink mine down a little bit and move it to the center. It's really easy to use the app to modify files for this. Once you've got it where you want it, I'm actually going to slow down the speed to 4,500 because I've found through trial and error that's a good speed for wood with this laser. Once I have everything the way I want it, then I can go ahead and perform a check where it'll just outline where it's going to print. So I'll just make sure that my piece of wood is in the right place. If I'm happy with it, then I'll just hit the laser engraving button. Then the Genmitsu will take over from there and it'll finish engraving whatever your art file is. And in this case, I created my logo. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.